how's it going? Patty here, your voice and face behind PjStylin. So let's talk blush. I am loving blush. I love blush. If you guys follow me at all, you know that blush is my deal. Anyhow, moving into spring and summer, we are going to see a lot of blush color come into play. And I especially think that we're going to see a lot of those softer kind of pink tones. Probably even some corals and stuff. But today I wanted to talk to you guys about pink because we have such a strong collection of pink cream blushes with Seint. I just wanted to give you a little example as to what all of them kind of look like on the skin. So I don't have any blush on right now. I am going to put some blush on for you guys, but I was hoping to just kind of go over some of the colors that we have and show you what they look like on the skin, because it's often hard to know, when you look at it in a tin, just exactly what it's going to look like on your skin. And this is the problem that we have when we're purchasing makeup, right? Is that what it looks like in the tin or in the packaging isn't necessarily what it looks like on the face. And that is the beauty behind Seint makeup, because you get a personal color match. When you're buying your makeup, your Seint artist does all the recommendations that are going to be beneficial for you. So when I do your color match for you, I choose all the colors from everything from your main highlight color to your contour, and especially your blush colors. I'll always do at least 6 to 8 suggestions of what you could use for your blush color. And it's always based on your skin tone, your hair color, like just the colors that you lean towards and your personal preference as to what you like with makeup. So all of that is taken into consideration. I love that I just can get off on a tangent about whatever. Anyhow, so let's talk pinks today. I want to show you what the pinks look like. I'm going to swatch them on my arm here, and I think that will be helpful. I guess I'll put them right here. So starting with, I'm going to have to throw my glasses on periodically because, I don't always know my colors. So starting with the color Cindy. So this is Cindy, people. What can I tell you about it? Not much. I believe it is a satin color. I'm just going to go in with my finger. This is Cindy, and this is what Cindy looks like on. Okay. So pretty like that. Some women are going to look at that. You know what? I should have got a freaking cloth or something before I started this so that I could wipe off my fingers. But what the hell? I'll just wipe it on my legs. So this is Cindy. Now keep in mind that when you put your blush color on, right, you are going to stipple Cindy. So then the more you stipple it, look at it, softens it out, right? So that's Cindy when applied properly. Do you see that? Beautiful. My lighting is kind of crapola here too today. I just feel like my lighting could be so much better, but it's like, I'm not in the best spot. So that's Cindy. Cindy is a nice, soft pink. It's something that a lot of people can wear. It's a popular shade, very neutral. The next one that I'm going to show you is, oh God, Patty, so blind. Honestly, what is this? Okay, baby watermelon. This is a super popular color. This is more of a cooler pink tone. So when I say cooler, I mean it has some blue in it, okay? And let's see what that looks like. So this is a baby watermelon. And you can see that it has more of a cooler reflect to it than Cindy. And then you're just going to tap it out. And remember, whatever blush color you go with or you choose to purchase, the more you blend it, the more this color dissipates. So the more it melts, right? The less noticeable it's going to be is really what I'm talking about. So you can tell how much cooler that one is from that one. I have a ton of freaking pinks here, so this is going to take me forever. So I'm going to whip through this fairly quickly. This one is Candy. It's amazing that we can make all these pinks and they're all that much different. So Candy is exceptionally soft. This is definitely a sheer color for us. If you don't like a lot of color, this might be something that really floats your boat because it is very, very subtle. Remember that all of these colors can be used on your lips as well, which is really nice, right? Okay, so moving on, I'm going to get into baby watermelon. This is a classic, one of our true, it's been around for a while. It's still super popular, baby watermelon. Women that love pink love baby watermelon. I love it. Because I like a strong blush color. That's something that I would go for. And it's really, really nice. Delia, this is a little bit on the brighter side. This one here, okay? And that's Delia, right? So it's just got, I would actually say that Delia's probably got, although it's brighter, it probably has a little bit more of an orange base to it, which you can see. Oh my God, my freaking arm is actually tired from doing this. That's how badly out of shape I am. Terrible, terrible. Okay, here's Hollywood. Hollywood again is light. It's a nice neutral, not over the top. I would say it has more of an orange in it, but you can see it there. Like, that's crazy, right? How they all look a little bit different. Let's stipple it out and see. Yeah. So all very, very pretty. Nice, nice, nice. And then we get into more subtle tones. So this is Summer Love, right? This is more of a sheer, and it is very subtle. I'm going to go on this side. Again, Summer Love is a color that I do recommend to a lot of people, because as much as I'm going to actually use Summer Love on me today so you can see what it does, but it's a nice neutral pink. It almost has a little bit of a mauve, almost like a bit of a brown background to it. This is Petal. This is very, very light, okay, but really pretty. It's a great layering piece too. Look at this. My God, why can't I get, look at me. I'm like, it's going sideways and everything. Okay, that's Petal. So you can see that. What else have I got here that's handy dandy? Okay, we got Pinky Promise. I love a Pinky Promise. This is Pinky Promise. Okay. Again, quite sheer, but I like it. It's more of a pop pink. So it's like it's a blue-based color as well, I feel. It's a cooler pink, but it's got some pop to it. And this is deceiving. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the tin, because look at what it looks like in the tin. Okay. That's what it looks like in the tin, and this is what it looks like on your skin. So you can definitely see the difference here, okay? The other one that I love, love, love is Lolly. I don't even know if we're making this color anymore. Isn't that pathetic? But I don't think we are. And this is a color I layer. A lot of times I will layer my blush. Look at, it's very sheer. So I will pop that over top of, and keep in mind that I'm putting this on bare skin. So when you're putting it on skin that has like foundation, like your main highlight color on it, it's going to like adhere a little bit more, and, you're going to see the color a little bit more. But those are some awesome pink options. And then you can get into like ruby, and, like ruby's really popular too. It's getting into more of like the reddier pink tones. Let's just see what that looks like. We have so many beautiful colors. Okay, there you go. Just like that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So, it can be very deceiving when you see the colors in the tins. And I think a lot of women shy away when we, recommend a color and they look at it. But the thing is that you have total control over how much product you're putting on. And, if you feel like you have too much on, then you just simply keep blending. And like I said, the color will dissipate. So it's really that easy. Now I've made a complete mess of myself. I'm going to get freaking blush all over me. But let's do a little application while I am here. Okay, let's go in. I'm going to go in today with, let's do something strong for you guys. I'm going to go in with Delia, okay? It's a strong pink. So look at, just putting it on my finger. This is Delia right here, this one here. I'm going to come down from the corner of my eye and I'm going to place my Delia right there. See it on my high cheekbone? Both sides. So simple. That is why this makeup goes so far, guys, because there is just so much pigment and you need such a little amount. Honestly, you're going to save a ton of money once you're using this stuff. I know I do. And you just simply tap it out. Do you see what I'm doing? This is called stippling. Okay, straight in and out, just like that. And you're going to soften it out. And you keep stippling until it dissipates to the color you want. Now, for me, this is not too strong. I like a strong blush. So this is good for me. If you felt like that was too much color, just keep on blending. It's really that easy. And you just keep stippling until it is the color that you, or till it's at the tone that you like. And it's done. Now keep in mind, I don't have any other makeup on here today, ladies. This is just blush, so you can see what's happening. But that is Delia. That's one of our stronger blushes. Now I'm going to go in with Lolly, which is one of the, Lolly is, this one's Lolly. So you can, this one, okay? So you can see how soft it is. So now I'm just going to feather Lolly on there like that. Both sides, okay? Voila. And that is it. And that is pink. So I'm going to come on here another time and I'm going to go over nudes maybe with you guys. Or maybe I'll go over like coral tones or whatever. But now I have this makeup all over my arm. And it is, I have to get it off because I'm going to get it all over my clothes. But I hope you guys find that helpful. Don't be afraid to layer your blush. Don't be afraid of blush. Blush brings so much life to your face. Not only that, but cream blush is so ideal over the summer because it makes you look hydrated. It makes you look, you know, it's not drying, right? It's a beautiful choice for summer, cream blush. Absolutely. It's a beautiful choice for mature skin. Highly, highly recommend any kind of cream makeup for mature skin. Not only that, but it's just really forgiving to use. Very easy. It looks very fresh. It can look very, very soft, and you have control over how much you want to put on. So it's all good. Okay. Hope you guys find that helpful. Ciao for now.